Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect keyboards and mouse to my X96 Mini Smart TV box. Okay, as you can see on the tables, now I have my USB keyboards and mouse on the right side, and now let's connect to the X96 Mini. And we can see this TV box. It have the two USB port, this one and this one. And now let's see is it workable or not with the USB keyboards and the USB mouse. Okay, now we already connect a keyboard, and you see the LED on the keyboard is blinking, and let's try to test some function. Okay, now we try to test with the web browser. Okay, the enter button, you will select the keyboard. So we need to make it to select this enter, and then we press enter. So now the USB keyboard is workable, and now we're going to test with the USB mouse. Okay, and now you can see the LED of the mouse is blinking, and you can see the mouse appear on the screen. And now we can just try to go to the Chrome, and we search once more youtube.com, then enter. Okay, so it works better with the Chrome browser. Then we just go to direct to the web browser. Okay, let's play one video. For example, I want to find for the free music. Enter, we need to select this one. Then play one free music, and now that's it, it's playable. And the keyboards and mouse connection to the X96 Mini both workable with this small device. Okay, and that's it. That is the end of this video. Let me say goodbye and thank for your time watching this short video. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.